All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your man Tony Porter with Tony's Passive Income, your 9 to 5 kicker. As you can see, I'm in the office, trying to be in the office. But today it's time to get the rolling contract situation complete. All right, so what is the rolling contract? Check out the video that I released the other day. It shows you how you double your money in Watermine. All right. Shows you how you double your money in Watermine. Now, the cool part to that is you're actually it's almost like compounding interest, but you're really just buying new contracts and just letting the interest accumulate. Now, with that being said, we're gonna jump into this. I don't want to take up everybody's time tonight because it's just one of those situations where you kind of like want to make sure people understand. So we're gonna go ahead and log on in, get on into the site. Of course, everybody knows this is Watermine. If you don't know, you want to know about it, there'll be a link in the description below. But as you can see, we are about to get deep into this. And again, every time you log in, I love how the security with the caption code just keeps getting better and better and better and better and better and better and better, 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 better. Swing. All right, so it's been a week. It's been 1 week. And I know a lot of people who have big money invested in this. They withdrawn every single day. All right. They're withdrawn every single day. Now, it's been 1 week since we first did this. And I'm up to 3058. It's a little bit after 9. It just really hit. So this is my balance. So guess what? It's time. It's time to buy another contract. Guess what time it is? All right, here we go. We're going to jump over here. All right, so because my balance is just around about 30, we're just going to select the $10 one. We're going to use 3058. Yeah, we're going to go over here. No, we're going to click this. So you want to make sure, once again, you want to make sure every time you do this, you make sure that you're on the right contract. All right. As you can see, I'm on the right contract. Minimum deposit is $10. I'm going to get 2% daily for this particular one. Okay. 2%. That's all it's going to be. It's a $10 contract. All right. I'm going to make the deposit from my Bitcoin, which is right here. This is how much I got available. I'm going to click on that. Want to make sure I put this over here. So I want to go here. We're going to go 30.58. All right. That's how much is available. That's how much we're sending. We're going to send it. All right. Let's get it. So the amount there, boom, there it is. 3058 is the amount, 3-month contract, 2% daily for 90 days. All right, it's the same thing as usual. We're going to go ahead and process this. All right, so your deposit has been successfully saved. So what does that mean? Now, when I go down here, I have no bread in my account balance. You know why? Because it's tied up. So what do you want to do? How do? You go to your history. All right, so I just made a deposit. So tomorrow I will generate money from here. All right, but here's the cool part about that. All I'm doing is reinvesting. All right. If you dabble in the stock market, you'll understand that people tell you all the time, reinvest, reinvest, reinvest. Especially if you're doing dividends, you reinvest your money. Okay. So with that being said, this is just the earnings. This period, you see no money, but check it out. Here's what's cool about this. This is my initial deposit. This is how much I generated, how much I generated. I got a referral. How much I generated, bought a contract. All right. So go to my deposits. As you can see, I got this. I just deposited this. So I have 82 days left on this one in 23 hours. I have 89 days because remember, 3 months, 30 days, it's 90 days. Okay. So by the time this contract runs out, I should be right around 190. I did get a profit today, as you can see. And yeah, that's how you do rolling contracts. So now basically I got 2 contracts going. All right. So each day when I get this percentage, and I get each day when I get the interest from the $10 contract and the interest from the other contract here. All right. So once I get both of these next week, I'll buy another contract, and I'm gonna keep buying contracts. And that's one of the quickest ways to generate your return on investment. If you deposited $100, you want to get your return on investment, then everything after that is strictly profit. Like right now, the goal is trying to get the return on investment. Once you get your return on investment, everything else is profit. You understand what I'm saying? There's nothing else to sit back and worry about. It's just a matter of just doing the rolling contract. So again, what I did was is I clicked on make a deposit. When I clicked on make a deposit, I had an active account balance. You go back and watch the video a little bit more. Make sure I put in the amount that I was going to send over out of my balance. And once I sent it over, you see that the balance cleared out. And this is what I have now. I have another contract. All right. So the goal is just constantly just getting these contracts. Once you get these contracts, you're just accumulating interest. Just accumulate interest. All right. So that's all I wanted to do today, man. I just wanted to show you that. You know, it's if you're in the business of trying to get rich quick, do you? I'm not mad at you. Um, but again, I'm no financial wizard. I'm no financial advisor. I learned this from a couple gentlemen here in my city, and they've been doing rather well. I'm starting to see a lot more people getting into Watermine, and people. I guess people want to get that money, man. You know, this is a way that you could, deposit. You can see some of these deposits. My next step is to get a couple of these going and get to this point right here. And once I get to this point right here, uh, the next one will be to get right here. Now, if I can recoup my money and Waterman decides to shut down, I got my money back. That's the key. You always want to get your money back. That's your goal. But right now, Waterman is doing excellent. And I hope, if you take the opportunity to jump in, you jump in. All right. Y'all cool with that, man? Because I'm cool with that. So I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing my screen right now. And that's about it, man, for real. Like when you're dealing with cryptocurrency, you have to understand right now, crypto is very volatile. Elon came out and made a statement earlier saying that he wasn't pulling out of his he wasn't selling his shares, but you never know. You never truly know. So again, you know what to do. If you like the video, you like the channel, you know what to do. If not, it is what it is. Uh, it's basically it, man. That's basically it. All right. So when we about to get up out of here, I got to get back to work for real because I got to get to my second job, which is I do music. So third job is I have run a candle company. Second, I run a uh, production company, and I do sports training. I coach football. Hey, I'm on the path to 6 figures, man. For real. I'm trying to retire in like 2 years. So I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all, man. Peace.